are going to be in Ketchikan today. We have a little bit of a later arrival. Out here enjoying the balcony. I love to do that every morning. Really any time that I can. But you can see it looks a little bit more overcast than it has the last few mornings. I guess yesterday was foggy, but even yesterday it didn't have the kind of same feel. So today in Ketchikan, we're going to go check out like the Creek Street deal. We don't have anything planned in port, so whatever we find, we'll probably end up going to do. Kiddos want to go shopping. Seems to be their favorite activity. Look for some more stuffed animals. So stick with us and I'll show you what we do. All right, we made it on to land in Ketchikan. We are doing shopping. I have a feeling that's going to be our main attraction. My kiddos love it, so that's what they're up to. So I think we're gonna walk down that way. We follow the street all the way down, keep on the same road. We should end up with getting to Creek Street, which is where we're trying to go. So it's started really coming down. We've done a bunch of shopping. My professional shoppers here are all shopped up. They have their ponchos on. And it looks like Cheryl and Grandma are still shopping, but we're probably gonna head back to the ship, so I don't know how much. All right, well, you can see it's still raining. I talked to you a little bit in the city. We made it about a block down the road and into like 4 shops. We found some good stuff to buy, but the reality is 4 kids and a scooter in the rain doesn't do well. So we're gonna enjoy our balcony until it's time for dinner, and then we'll see what's going on around the ship, and maybe we'll do a little bit of ship action for our day in Ketchikan. Go time.
For beautiful voices, keep it going. You know, each time you leave, no phone voice to the whole time road. I'm gonna. That's okay. I'm sorry. What's your name, baby? Watching the ships rolling. Should stay. I would only be your way. So I